Meaning of flameproof.
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 Flameproof. Flameproof refers to a material or product that is designed to resist ignition and prevent flames from spreading. These products are typically used in environments where flammable gases, vapors, or dust are present. Flameproof materials are engineered to have self-extinguishing properties and to not emit toxic gases when exposed to heat or fire. In the event of a fire, flameproof materials help contain the flames and prevent them from spreading, which can minimize damage to property and save lives. Overall, flameproof materials provide added safety and protection in hazardous environments.